Hey everybody, this video we got a IC core. This was on a closed down business. I had to get it open and replace it. And when I saw it, I was gonna drill it, but I thought I got a few minutes here. I'll see if it'll rake open easy, and if it does, it'll save me a little bit of work. So went ahead and tried it, and much to my delight, it raked open really easy. Just raked it backwards and plug spun it to open the door. And I don't remember what rake I used. I'm sure it was one of these Peterson rakes. It actually raked open pretty easily. Look at that, raked right open. And then what I had to do to actually open the door, because it's actually backwards, is use the plug spinner. That one ought to work. Put that guy in there. And let me see if I can adjust the camera a little bit so you can see it. I'll just pick the damn thing up. There we go. Now you can see it. And it spins it all the way around, which then I think I just had to stick a pick in to get the drivers out of there, and doors open. So IC core raked open, and I might try later on to see if I can pick it to control. I hardly ever have any luck with that, but I may try that later. So that will do it for now, and we will talk to everybody later.